Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Battery and Device Care. This is where Low Power Mode lives. Tap Battery to see current usage and the Low Power Mode toggle. You should unlock the phone and make sure you have a little battery left to change settings safely. Once visible, do not enable other optimizations first. Focus on the Low Power Mode option so you can compare impact and duration before proceeding. Now you enable Low Power Mode and customize what it restricts. You toggle the setting and then tap any available advanced options to limit background app activity, sync frequency, and GPS use. Make sure to reduce screen brightness and timeout and turn off always-on display if shown. Once done, confirm battery saver duration or percentages depending on your model. This controls how aggressive the system will be about CPU and network restrictions. Finish by checking the status icon and watching battery percent change to confirm Low Power Mode is active. You should see a visible indicator. If settings don't apply, restart the phone to force the system to reload battery services. Make sure apps that need background sync are whitelisted if necessary. If problems persist, reset network or system settings rather than a full factory reset. That resolves most toggle issues with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.